LRP. Let's place it.
Oils, baby. Oils, baby.
Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. doTERRA's here with an ancient invention.
Oils.
Grab a hold of me tightly. Open up my airways daily and nightly. Will it ever stop?
Yo.
Hell no. Turn off the lights. The luma glows. To the extreme, I rock a class like an expert. Inspire a builder and watch my rank have a growth spurt. Sample. Help a person in need. I'm killing all doubt with a germinating seed. Sleepy. When I share some dope serenity. Anything not CPTG is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better just try. You better hit bullseye by finding your why. If you have a problem, yo, don't solve it. Come over to my house and let the oils dissolve it.
Oils, baby. doTERRA, oils, baby. Oils, baby. doTERRA, oils, baby.
Now that the molecules are jumping, with the oils kicked in, the blood veins are pumping. Quick to the brain, to the limbic system, flushing out negative thoughts, you won't miss some. Burning skin, if they ain't quite diluted. I get sunburn when they're citrus fruited. And a sore tongue with a strong oregano. Under control, and it's time to say, oh no, rolling. With my 15 mil, with the roller off so my bottle can fill. The oil's on standby, waiting just to be mine. Did you stop? No, I just poured mine, kept on. Diluting to the next drop. I poured it out and I'm adding till the bottle top. That top was full, yo, so I continued to 101 DIY follow through. Oils are hot, never mess with the genus. doTERRA lovers appreciate the cleanest. Zealous, cause we farming from the source. MLA has a say, so our oils are a force. Ready for the sharers on the scene. The sharers wanna share cause of what they never seen. Classes where you come to smell. I booked about 9 where my friends all dwell. Headed to the first class real fast. Jumped in my car, slammed on the gas. Shoulder to shoulder, the living room's packed. I try to close the class before the yackers yak. Children on the scene, you know what I mean. They messed me up, distracted the whole mom scene. Do you have a health goal? Yo, I'll solve it. Check out this book so that nature resolves it.
Oils, baby. doTERRA, oils, baby. Oils, baby. doTERRA, oils, baby.
Take heed, cause I'm a wellness advocate. doTERRA's on the scene just in case you didn't know it. These oils have chemical compounds enough to wake you up and make you spellbound. Basil in a vegetable pill. When you run out, you can make a refill. Certified pure, it's a hell of a concept. We make it safe, and you wanna step with this. doTERRA on the rise, growing like apple, reaching all new highs so fast. All the experts say, damn, if my oils were drugs, I'd sell them by the gram. Follow compliance, don't get too loose. There are claims written out that you can reuse. If there is a problem, yo, we'll solve it. Stick to the script and duplicate that sandalwood.
Oils, baby. doTERRA, oils, baby. Oils, baby. doTERRA, oils, baby.
Yo, man, let's get out of here. Word to your upline.
Oils, baby. So pure. doTERRA, oils, baby. So pure, so pure. Oils, baby. doTERRA, oils, baby. So pure.
OMG, Clary Sage is my fave. This one will totally balance your third eye chakra.